Spirit-minded clearly, and listen to the others, even to the dull and the ignorant.
Malakas ang
They
ano
too
niya.
have their story. Avoid loud and aggressive persons. Aggressive? Avoid loud and aggressive persons. They are vexatious to the spirit.
Yes na.
If you compare yourself to the others, you will become vain or bitter. For always there will be greater and lesser than
Lesser person
person.
than yourself. Dinidiktahan mo ako tayo.
Enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. Keep interested in your career, however humble. In these real possessions and changing fortunes of time,
Jessica Tamos.
exercise motions of your business affairs for the world are full of trickery. But let this not blind you to what virtue is. And many persons
Si Jessica, huwag mo na.
Many persons strive for high ideals. For everywhere life is full of heroism. Be yourself, especially do not feign of affection. Neither
Be cynical.
cynical about love.